In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Wise routing number. To get started, sign into your Wise account. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before continuing, especially if you manage more than one balance or use Wise for both personal and business purposes. Once you're in, you'll land on the homepage, which shows your available currency balances. From there, click the currency balance you want to receive money in. This part is important because the account details can vary depending on the currency you select. For example, the receiving information for one balance may look different from another, so always open the exact balance you plan to use for incoming payments. When the balance page opens, look just below your balance amount for the green account details button. This is the section that gives you the banking information connected to that specific balance. Go ahead and click the green account details button, then wait for the account details page to load. Once the account details page appears, review the receiving account information shown on the screen. This page contains the details you'll need when someone is sending money to that balance. Take a moment to read carefully, since Wise may display several pieces of information, such as your account number and other local bank details. Next, look for the routing number field, if one is provided for that currency. Not every currency will use the same banking format, so the exact label may depend on the type of balance you opened. If a routing number is available, it should be clearly listed in the receiving details. If you're using an AUD balance, you may not see a routing number labeled in the same way. Instead, look for the BSB number. In Australia, the BSB works as the routing number equivalent, so that's the number you would use for local receiving instructions. If you need to copy the routing number or BSB, click the copy icon next to it. This helps avoid typing mistakes and makes it easier to paste the number wherever you need it. It's always a good idea to double-check that you copied the correct detail for the correct currency before sharing it. Finally, use the routing number together with your account number when receiving payments. In most cases, both pieces of information are needed so the payment can be directed to the right balance without delays. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.